Mahal, gising ka pa ba? Love, are you still awake? Oo, mahal, gising pa ako. Bakit? Kanina ko pa nga hinihintay tawag mo. Yes, love, I'm still awake. Why? Actually, I've been waiting on your call. Ganun ba? Wala naman, miss lang kita. Pasensya na, marami kasi akong ginawa buong maghapon. Is that so? Nothing. I just miss you. I'm sorry, I was occupied the entire day. Alam ko, kaya nga hindi na kita inistorbo. Makakadagdag lang ako sa pinagkakaabalahan mo. I know, that's why I didn't disturb you. I'll just add to your business. Ano ka ba? Ayos lang yon. Gusto ko nga mayat maya tinatawagan mo ako para hindi kita masyadong namimiss. No, that's okay. I'd actually love if you call me from time to time, so I would not miss you that much. Yun nga sobrang miss na kita. Marami pa naman akong ikukwento sa'yo. Hindi naman masyadong importante. Gusto ko lang muna marinig ang boses mo. Yeah, I really missed you. I have a lot to tell you, but not that much important. For now, I want to hear your voice. Naman, kinikilig ako. Oh my, there's butterfly in my stomach. Kailan ba tayo magkikita? Mahigit 2 buwan na din ang nakakaraan. When are we going to meet? It's been 2 months already. Malapit na mahal, kaunting hintay na lang. Matatapos na din itong trabaho ko. Gusto na rin kitang makita. Almost there, my loves. Wait a little longer. This job will finish soon. I want to see you too. Hindi na kasi ako makapaghintay. Kahit nga ang mga magulang ko, miss ka na din. I can't wait any longer. Even my parents missed you too. Ikamusta mo na lang ako sa kanila. Pakisabi, miss ko na din sila. Just regards me to them. Tell them I miss them too. Walang oras na hindi kita iniisip. Nag-aalala ako sa'yo. Lalo pa at nag-iisa ka lang dyan sa tinitirhan mo. There's no single time I didn't think of you. I'm worried, especially that you're alone in your residence. Huwag kang mag-alala sa akin. Kaya ko ang sarili ko. Isa pa, malapit lang naman ang pinapasukan ko dito. Don't worry about me. I can take care of myself. Besides, my job is a few steps away from here. Basta, mag-iingat ka pa rin. Ano kaya kung pumunta ako dyan? Just take care of yourself. What if I come along? Hindi na kailangan. Gaya ng sinabi ko, kaya ko ang sarili ko. No need. Like I said, I can handle myself. Sinabi mo mahal kita. Paano tawagan kita ulit bukas? You said so. I love you. So, call you again tomorrow? Sige, hihintayin ko ang tawag mo. Mahal din kita. Paalam. Okay, I'll wait for your call. I love you too. Bye.